Dear dreamers, welcome back to our enchanting YouTube channel. Go to sleep, where the land of imagination comes alive. Tonight, your storyteller is none other than the delightful Dudu, ready to weave a heartwarming bedtime tale that will whisk you away to a world of wonder and adventure. Once upon a time, in a land called Trainville, there lived a little train named Choo-Choo. This tiny train had big dreams and an adventurous spirit that led it on an epic journey. So snuggle up under your soft blankets as Dudu takes you on a magical adventure with Choo-Choo and its friends. Immerse yourself in the world of Choo-Choo as it embarks on a mission to deliver magical crystals to the Crystal Kingdom. The journey is filled with challenges, but Choo-Choo's determination never wavers. Alongside its friends, Little Red Caboose and Shiny Green Engine, it faces storms, mysterious riddles, and even a fearsome dragon. So, dear children, as the stars twinkle outside your window and the moon casts its gentle glow, let the soothing sound of Dudu's voice guide you through this extraordinary adventure. Close your eyes and picture Choo-Choo's bright blue eyes, the shimmering crystals, and the magic that fills the air. As you listen to Dudu's tale of courage and kindness, feel your heart soar with hope, knowing that just like Choo-Choo, you too can achieve anything you set your mind to. This bedtime story is not only a moment of relaxation and peace, but also an opportunity to dream big and believe in the power. So, my little dreamers, snuggle in, relax, and let your imaginations run wild. Are you ready for the adventure of a lifetime? Then, close your eyes for Dudu's storytelling magic. Once upon a time, in a magical land called Trainville, there was a little train named Choo-Choo. Choo-Choo was no ordinary train. It was small and cute with bright blue eyes that sparkled like the sky. Choo-Choo had a heart full of dreams and an adventurous spirit that made it unique among all the other One fine morning, the mayor of Trainville called all the trains to the station. He had an important mission for one brave train. The mission was to transport a long line of heavy cars filled with magical crystals to the Crystal Kingdom. Located on top of the crystals were the source of magic in Trainville, and they needed to be delivered before the moon rose that night. All the big trains looked at each other, but no one volunteered. They were all afraid of the daunting task, but Choo-Choo, with a determined look in its blue eyes, stepped forward and said, "I'll do it. I want to prove that even a little train like me can achieve great things." The mayor smiled and said, "Very well, Choo-Choo. Remember to believe in yourself and never give up. You can do it." Choo-Choo chugged out of the station with a line of heavy cars behind it. The hill ahead was enormous, and Choo-Choo knew it would be a challenging journey, but it was not alone. Its best friends, Little Red Caboose and Shiny Green Engine, decided to accompany Choo-Choo on this epic adventure. As they began climbing the hill, Choo-Choo repeated its mantra, "I think I can, I think I can," just like the little engine that could. The cars were indeed heavy, and the hill was steep, but Choo-Choo's determination and the support of its friends made it go on. But as they reached halfway up the hill, the unexpected happened. A powerful storm appeared, bringing thunder and lightning. Rain poured down, making the tracks slippery and difficult to climb. The little train felt scared, but it remembered what its mother had said and pushed forward bravely. At the top of the hill, they encountered a magical creature called the Hill Guardian. The Guardian was impressed by Choo-Choo's bravery and said, "You have passed the first test of determination, little train. But the Crystal Kingdom is not only about strength. You must also prove your kindness and intelligence. The guardian presented Chintu with 3 paths: the path of bravery, the path of compassion, and the path of wisdom. Chintu had to choose one, but its friends couldn't help. Chintu decided to take the path of wisdom. It believed that intelligence and creativity would guide it through the challenges that lay. The wise old owl looked at Chintu with its big, round eyes and said, "To prove your wisdom, you must answer this riddle. I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have no body." Chintu pondered the riddle for a moment. It knew this was not an ordinary question. After a moment of thoughtful silence, Chintu's blue eyes brightened with realization. "The answer is an echo," Chintu exclaimed confidently. Feeling proud and relieved, Chintu and its friends continued towards the Crystal Kingdom. The path became trickier, and there were many obstacles in their way, but Chintu was now more determined than ever. As they approached the Crystal Kingdom's entrance, the ground beneath them began to rumble. A massive crack split the earth, separating Chintu from its friends. Little Red Caboose and Shiny Green Engine were on the other side, but they couldn't reach Chintu. In front of Chintu stood the imposing figure of the dragon, guarding the entrance. The dragon's fiery breath made the air hot and heavy. Chintu knew that this was the ultimate test of bravery. It remembered its mantra, "I think I can. I think I can." And with every ounce of courage, Chintu took a deep breath and called out, "Dear dragon," Chintu said, "I mean you no harm. I come in peace, carrying magical crystals to the Crystal Kingdom. If you let me pass, I promise they will be used for the good of..." The dragon's eyes softened, and it spoke in a deep, rumbling voice. "No one has ever spoken to me with such kindness and respect before. You may pass, little train. The Crystal Kingdom awaits." Chintu thanked the dragon and continued on its. The sight that awaited them was breathtaking. Crystals of all colors shimmered and glowed, filling the kingdom with magic. As Dudu's enchanting bedtime story comes to an end, we hope you enjoyed this magical adventure with Chintu and its friends in Trainville. But don't worry. The world of imagination never closes its. Remember, dear dreamers, that every night is a new opportunity for exciting journeys and wonderful dreams. So, whether you're traveling to far-off lands, exploring mystical kingdoms, or flying with friendly dragons, before you drift off to dreamland, take a moment to thank your wonderful imagination for this delightful experience. Embrace the power of believing in yourself, just like Chintu did, and know that you too subscribe for more bedtime adventures. Now, close your eyes, snuggle up in your cozy blankets, and let your dreams carry you to wondrous places. Sweet dreams, dear dreamers, and until next time, may your nights be filled with the magic of imagination and the joy of storytelling. If you want to hear more bedtime stories and embark on even more extraordinary adventures, remember to hit the subscribe button